In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block phishing email attacks using Cloudflare Area 1. Cloudflare Area 1 is an email security solution that stops phishing, malware, and suspicious emails before they reach your inbox. Unlike traditional email filters, it detects and blocks threats earlier in the attack chain. To get started, sign into your Cloudflare dashboard, open Area 1 Email Security, and connect your email environment, such as Microsoft 365 or Google Workspace. Once configured, Area 1 automatically analyzes incoming emails, links, attachments, and sender domains to identify phishing attempts. You can also monitor threats, review blocked emails, and adjust security policies from the dashboard to improve protection for your organization. With Cloudflare Area 1, you can significantly reduce the risk of phishing attacks and keep your users and data secure. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.